Hey guys, this is a video to show you that now we support the Galaxy S6 from T-Mobile Imei repair. Show you, you can see SMG920T status. That's the Imei we have on it right now, and let's change the Imei. We can provide it for you remotely. When we're doing it for you remotely, you're gonna get that notifications, a couple of notifications, and we're gonna need you to press OK or reboot, and then we go from there. It's a pretty easy and simple process. We use remote software and services. Almost done. It is done. Go back and let you check out the Imei that it has been repaired. And there goes the new Imei. Like I said before, you can check out our site. It's ifiximei.com. Give us a call. We are now supporting the Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge from T-Mobile.